So this is the XAUUSD analysis for Tuesday, the 13th of February. Now, let's have a look what happened to prices and where prices may likely go. So we saw prices come pretty close to this 13.05 before we saw some buy-side momentum come back into the market. We found support in around 13.58. We broke above the 13.20, slightly traded below it for another, but we didn't see the breakdown back down towards 13.58. So we've got our lows there, higher low there, had a break above the 13.20. We didn't appear to hold it the first time. We did trade slightly below it, and we've come back up for potentially another hold. So we've got a series of higher lows, and we've got our low, higher low, potentially a higher low, and potentially a higher low again, which is somewhat bullish for price action. Now, if we continue to hold above the 13.20, we are expecting price head towards our 13.28. It is a minor level. We do have to be aware of the 200 period moving average pretty close by as well, which could see a brief pullback before we see further upside continuation. I wouldn't expect to see a pullback down to 13.20, but it does remain a possibility. So we are looking for, if we do trade above 13.28 and do successfully navigate 200 period moving average, we are looking for price head towards our 34.51 level. Now, the 200 period moving average provided dynamic resistance on this occasion over here to your left, so we do have to be aware that it could potentially provide resistance again. So if we do break above the 200 period moving average, we are looking for to see our price react around 34.50. If we do break above 34.50, we have the 400 period moving average sitting at the 136 level, a successful break from which we're looking for price head towards our 13.44.26. Wouldn't anticipate price to move much beyond 13.44.26, but if we did, 13.50 would be the very next logical level to see how prices react if we do see that pullback down to 13.44 or possibly a deeper retracement back down towards that 34.50 level. Now, that's pretty much where we would expect prices to go if we see the conclusion of these series of higher lows. But if we do see a breakdown from where we are at present, and we do have to be, if we do see a breakdown from where we are at present, we'll see whether 13.20 does hold as potentially support for further upside continuation. If we do break down from 13.20, 13.58, where we did find support previously, and a break from there, 13.05. I wouldn't anticipate prices moving down towards the 1300 level, but if we did move down to 1300 level, we would have the 50% retracement on Fibonacci drawn from the swing high to the swing low on the daily time frame. So 1300 to the downside, but we do have a very strong level sitting at 13.05, which may provide very strong support before we head down towards our 1300 level. And with that said, that pretty much covers everything in regards to the XAUUSD. Thanks for watching.